So let's look at combining inequalities or double inequalities. In our previous class or lessons, we've discussed exclusive inequalities and inclusive inequalities. So this time around, we are combining exclusive and inclusive, or exclusive and exclusive, inclusive and inclusive, inclusive and exclusive. So we are combining inequalities, two different inequalities or the same inequalities. For example, we have x is less than 4 and also x is greater than 2. So we have x is less than 4 and x is greater than 2. In the combined form, it will be x greater than 2 less than 4. This will be the combined form of the two different inequalities. X is less than 4 and x is greater than 2. X is less than 4 and greater than 2. X is less than 4 and greater than 2. This is a combined form. Now, but how do we represent this graphically? It's the same idea that we have already known from the previous class, the classes that we have held. So I will need to draw a number line. Remember that this inequality is exclusive at the two directions. It's exclusive here and also exclusive here. So 4 is not a member of x. 2 is also not a member of x from the graph, from the inequality that we have here right now. So I will simply draw my center or origin, 0. Write my numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have number 4 and number 2. So I will go to where we have number 2 and put my circle there, unshaded. I'll go to where we have number 4 and put my circle there, unshaded. X is greater than 2. The direction goes this way, forward. X is less than 4. The direction goes backward. So the two lines will just meet at a point, and this will be our final graph. Because one arrow was to go this way, and the other arrow was to go backward. So the two arrows will meet at a point. We're going to end up having just a straight line to show the graphical representation of x is greater than 2 and x less than 4. So this is the graphical representation. Or you take the second form of graph, where you have 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put your circle here. Put your circle here. Then shade the middle part. It's the same thing. So we have the two different types of graphs there. Let's see another example. Let's look at another example. We have x greater than or equal to minus 2 less than or equal to 3. Greater than or equal to minus 2 less than or equal to 3. That is the inequality we have on the board. How do we get our graph or represent it graphically? Draw a line. First, you must understand that this inequality is inclusive at the both sides. It is inclusive here and also inclusive here. So minus 2 is a member of x and plus 3 is a member of x. So I'll need to draw my lines and my number 0, 1, 2, and 3, minus 1, minus 2. So put your circle where we have minus 2, your circle at 3. The circle will be shaded in the both sides. X is less than or equal to 3, less than arrow is coming backward. X is greater than or equal to minus 2, it's coming forward. So the two arrows will meet at a point So we have this drawn. Or you take the second form of graphing. 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2. Shaded. It's coming backward, going forward. The two will meet at the point. This graph is also a second form of putting that graphically. So we looked at a doubling problem or double inequalities. These are examples of doubling or double inequalities, and that's how you go about solving it and putting it on a line. So in our next other class, we'll solve more problems to help you have a better understanding. Thank you.